Phone repair and computer repair discounts for local B2B businesses. My name's Mac, owner and founder of Phone Repair Philly and Pennsauken Phone and Computer Repair. We have 4 locations and we want to offer deals and discounts, $20 off for any repair, diagnostic, water damage, buying, selling, any devices. We have 4 locations, one in Northern Liberties, one in Center City, one in Midtown Village, and one in Pennsauken. So, here's our pricing. We have the 4 locations. You can find our website at phonerepairphilly.com. Northern Liberty, Center City, Pennsauken, and Midtown Village. We can fix just about anything. So if we go to our pricing, I want to give you B2B, other business owners and entrepreneurs discounts for your business, your employees. So anything from iPhone X to Samsung, for example, iPhone 7 Plus typically 90, we could do it for 70. iPhone 6 we could do it for 50. We do cracked screens, screen replacements, power buttons, home button speakers, batteries, water damage, cameras. We also buy, sell, and unlock devices. So if you're a local business or business owner in the area, we want to give you discounted B2B deals. All you have to do is respond to this email or social media. You can find our contact information online at any of these locations. Once again, my name's Mac, and happy to help.